Hey guys, welcome to CV Creation YouTube channel. After long back, I came up with another informative video for you, and it is which is the best insurance for your four-wheeler vehicle. So let's get started. Recently, I have purchased a second-hand car, and it came along with the Acko insurance. Okay, and I have studied about that insurance, what and all benefits I'm gonna get in this. It's just because whenever you are met with an accident or an emergency cases, whenever the car is not working and stop working in mid of the road and out of the city non-network area, I strongly recommend you this Eco Insurance Company, those who driven the car, especially for women. Why? Because the extra benefit what are you going to get in this Eco Insurance Company, that is RSA, stand for roadside assistant. So they will provide you the towing facility for you a pan India up to a maximum of 100 kilometer, but insurance company never disclose this anywhere. I have my own experience. I have met with in my car accident, so I got to know that initially they have told like 25 kilometer, and they say second time they have told 50 kilometer, and finally when I demanded to drop my car near my home, it's far from 150 kilometers. So finally they agreed to deliver, and the free of towing facility is up to 100 kilometer. So after that, whatever the balance is, there is the 50 kilometer, I have to pay a separate amount for them. So that's it's about like a 3000 something like that, including a fast tag that vehicle have to toll charges that we have to pay extra. Okay, depends on the uh, distance of nice road, etc. Okay, and I'm gonna share you that I have my own experience met with an accidents. I'm gonna review that Acko insurance in this video. So why the Acko insurance company is the best compared to others. So let's get into this video again in depth. So those who are watching first time in this video, I request you to subscribe my channel to get informative videos like this in future. Here is the Eco Insurance policy which I have. So why the Eco advantage and a non-Eco advantage, here you can see. So free car pickup from home, office or accident. Means whenever your car met with an accident or not working at all, so in emergency cases for towing facility, they will give you free. So I earlier I told you up to 100 kilometer, but initial stage insurance company will tell you we will give you up to 20 to 25 kilometer. Then later if you demand, then they will tell you 50 kilometer, and at last final if you demanded more than 100 kilometer, then they will tell you a maximum have 100 kilometer, they will give you free pickup from the accident location. Let's next option is repair at your network of expert garage. Means they have registered with the third party insurance or private not third party car service providers. So you can get that car to authorized service dealer also. It will be paid a cashless, so you don't have to pay, and you don't need to claim. So they will pay directly to the service center. Next, 3-day repair guarantee. This is bullshit absolutely. means 3 days. Who if you met with an accident, it will not take less than 3 days. Absolutely, it will take more than that, even 1 week, 2 week, like that. It's depends on the damage you got. Okay, so I have got nearly 3 months. I given my car to service center due to my car is more than 10 years and the parts is availability is very minimal, so that's the reason. Okay, and you can see the another cab voucher worth 500 per day if there's a repair delay. So almost I have more than 90 days it's crossed, so I have inquired my car repair. It's beyond that what it's beyond that the 3 days, so it taken huge days, and I asked the give the cab voucher. So per day they have to pay a 500, but they have sent some mail and blah blah blah, so many things they have told, and you are not eligible, they like that they have told. And recently they have cancelled this, but still they are showing in the insurance policy that cab voucher are just a shake off like promotional, that's it. So car drop at your doorstep. This is like after a service. Obviously, that service center will drop a car nearby my home only. It's like nearly 1 or 2 kilometers. That's it. I don't know exactly how much for distance they are going to cover. And next is cashless and hassle-free processing. Absolutely, it is cashless when you're going to network service centers. I recommend you to go with a service center which is a network or authorized dealer. Okay, and what is the here what's covered? So accident it will cover, fire if your car suddenly got fired, then that also will be covered. Theft, of course. Natural calamities, if your vehicle damaged with due to natural calamities, that also will be covered. Third party losses, if you're gonna hit somebody property like car, bike, and anything, they got huge damage because of you, then that also will be covered. This is mandatory for insurance. Okay, then consumables, you can read, you can pause and you can read here what and all. Then extra car product, so if you need extra car product, you have to make the payment extra like 200, 300, that's it. In case of breakdown, ensure roadside assistant. Only this will be more helpful. Roadside assistant, suppose you are far from city and you are in a village and there will be very less or no home at all nearby where you met with an accident, and nobody is there to help you, especially if the woman is driving a car. So from the company side they will provide you the roadside assistant facility. They have promised within 2 hours maximum you will get a towing facility from that location all over India, pan India, like that they're telling. And yeah, it will be very beautiful. Suppose if you're going own towing facility, they will simply they will charge more, nothing like anything, because they will take advantage of your situation. Okay, so for women it will be, of course it will be difficult whom to trust. That's the reason I recommend this insurance company. Take extra protect and you will get roadside assistant, a maximum of 2 hours of waiting period. So within that they will provide you, someone from the company side will come to help you. Okay, and cover repairs replacement, this and all I don't know. Reimbursement of 675 takes more than 12 hours. Our station of emergency. This we need to read, and we haven't have this kind of experience, and yeah, I don't know much about this. You can call to Acko insurance company, they will explain you each and everything. After that only you take that insurance. Okay, engine protect car. This 100% I will tell you, the whole engine is not protected. Means the whole engine, if you're going to replace, it will be not covered. It's like inside internal parts of the engine or gearbox. So replacement of internal parts and of the engine and gearbox, that only it will be covered, not the entire engine. Okay, you have to read it carefully. That too only arising out of water ingression or hydraulic lock or leakage of coolant lubricant oil. Only in this type of cases only it will be covered. Not like that if you go on ahead and met with an accident and due to that engine internal parts got damaged, it won't cover. This is the terms and conditions you have to read carefully. And the car owner, of course, if car owner got disability and death, it will be covered. Legal liability for paid driver cover. So death and disability of cover of the paid driver. Paid driver. If you are having a driver, it will be covered. Accidental coverage for passenger. So up to five passengers, it will be covered for each 1 lakh passage. 1 lakh per passenger. This is accidental coverage for medical bills. What's not covered? So non-accident damage and consequences, losses and contractual liabilities, nuclear risk, war. Oh, due to risk, nuclear risk and war. Illegal driving. Suppose if you don't have a valid driving license and you're driving and driving with drinking like liquor, drugs, and tire tube engine is not covered. See here they have mentioned clearly engine is not covered. So on the upper side we have read that internal replacement of engine and gearbox it will be covered only due to leakage of oil, lubricant, like that. Car review exception, pre-existing damage are found on the vehicle inspection. So car review exceptions, here you can find these are all not covered because before you're taking insurance it will be shown, and these are all will be not covered. Commercial usage of the car. Suppose if you given a whiteboard car for rental purpose or it is used for commercial purpose office, then it won't be covered. So here are the details of the charges. So obviously the premium is very less and compared to other, and they're going to give you higher and higher IDV value in the market. You could not get near that also in any another insurance company. So nominee details, everything will be there, and car details, etc. Cover details, personal accident covered, consumable covered, zero depreciation not covered, engine protect car, roadside assistant car, key protect car. Suppose if you lost keys, like that they are telling. I don't know how it will be covered and whether they're gonna really replace the car key. I don't know. Outstation emergency cover, yes, it will be helpful. Personal accident for unnamed passengers. Okay, these are all will be covered. So coming to my experience of I have informed immediately after the accident. Immediately I called to the customer care for the Acko insurance helpline. After that, in one day they have immediately after at 6 morning at 6:30 I have raised the insurance claiming. Then like around 10 or 11 o'clock immediately before first half only I have got a call and they have inquired and they sent a mail asking documents and eligibility criteria and how much we are going to get that insurance company depreciation value everything they have sent an email. This is I'm going to share you which I have got really. So dear Shiv Kumar, as discussed, kindly share the following document earliest to easy to claim process. So they are asking this 6 documents like FIR copy, first investigation report, I guess, yeah, maybe. So if not acknowledged, why not reported to the police station? So you have to give the FIR copy if you are given complaint. Suppose someone came and hit your car and you got damage from another vehicle. So in my case, I have hit the lorry from my car. So I have not filed a FIR copy. Why? Because I'm gonna tell you again. Okay, later part. So cancel check. They have asked previous year policy. They have asked spot photos. So driving license, insured relationship with the driver. So suppose if I'm not driving, some other your friend or colleague or relative brother or father, someone is driving. No, that time we have to give their details also. So I have replied this email for all these 6. So let's see what I have replied. So here they have asked FI copy if not acknowledge. Why? So I have not acknowledged. Why? Because after I met with an accident, I have called immediately to Acko Insurance helpline, that roadside assistant, and reported the incident and Acko person asked me, did you file the complaint? They asked whether you have filed a complaint to the police station. I said not yet. I have not complained yet. So just now I have met with an accident. I'm immediately for seeking a helpline. I have called you. Like that I have told. And again I have asked them, should I need to file a complaint? They said not required. So I did not give the complaint. That's it. As simple as that. This is what I have given the reply in the mail. In the second, they are asking check of insured person. So I have attached previous year policy. Suppose if you are claiming again and again each and every year and changing a policy, there will be some scam will be going. No, frequently they are claiming fake claim will be there. That's the reason they will ask you the previous year insurance policy. So here what I have replied, I have purchased a car so and so date from a MS the car showroom, that is second car sales showroom. I have received only the present running insurance company. Of course they will give you present running insurance copy which is expired. Why they will give you? And that's right. And I do not have a old means a previous owner contact number to get that previous insurance policy. Why? Because I have purchased from the salesperson from second hand showroom. So I can give you the salesperson contact number. So I have given. If they want, they can inquire from there itself. And the spot photos, absolutely, this is mandatory. These are all points. It's mandatory how to give a reply. So valid reason you have to give. Suppose if you are not taken a photo, why? that also you have to give. They will come to the spot and they will investigate if you not provide the photos. Then I have attached insurance, insured driving license. That also I have attached mine and that the person who is driving. Why? Because I have written here the car was driven by office colleague due to I do not have four-wheeler valid driving license. I have two-wheeler only. So we are going to our office colleague marriage and the person who have valid four-wheeler driving license, he was driving and both mine and car driver DL is attached. That's it. And the last option, ensured relationship with the drivers. Because I'm not driving now, so some other person is driving. What is the relationship? They are asking. So office colleague is the relationship between me and the driver is my office colleague. He was driving due to I do not have same whatever previous I have told four-wheeler driving license I do not have, so that's the reason he driving. So we were traveling for our office colleague marriage purpose. So where we are going, what the purpose we are traveling, that also if you mention, it will be more genuine. They will feel like genuine. That's it. If you're claiming a genuine, definitely your claim will get approved. If you make trying to make fake claiming, then only your claim will not get claim approved. In most of the cases, some people will claim fakes. That's the reason. Okay, if you're genuine, definitely you will get approved. So the maximum success approval claim ratio is the top in the market, that is Acko insurance. It's more than nearly like 97-98%. It's the top range. So approval rate it's very fast. And in this video I need to tell you one thing. If your insurance not insurance, if you're having a damage value, repair value worth less than 1 lakh, it will be approved on the same day and it will be started repairing from the day one itself or second day maximum. And only the one agent person will come from the Acko insurance. He will validate, he will check and visit it to the service center. He will check the car how much it's got damaged. If it is crossing more than 1 lakh, then that person will go back and one more person will come from that insurance company. Is from a government authorized IRDA person. So he is from IRDA regulatory, so government person. He will come and he will validate. Why? Because the higher value, no. So my car repair it cost more than 1.5 lakh. So that's the reason he came and he checked everything and he discussed with that person who service center person and he went back. He asked for the quotation for that repair. So here is the documents which I have given: blank check, photo, and the driving license of mine and driving license of the driver. And for extra documents which they won't ask but have given, this car I have purchased from the second sale service center, so that's the reason I have sale agreement of that car. So I have shared this also. This is the spot photo where the car met with an accident. So on the road street in the night around like 10:30 11 o'clock. So on the road itself you can see here how much damage it happened to my car. We went and met the lorry. Means we hit the car badly because it was raining and it stopped raining and the road is got wet. In wet condition, if you hit the brake also, it will not be perfect like dry road like that. How much you have a grip on the road, that won't you get on the wet road. compared to dry road. So after hitting the brake also, it will work like a lubricant. The water on the road, it will work like a lubricant. So if we hit the brake also, the tire won't rotate, but it will get skid. So it happens to me same like that. It's got skid after hitting the brake. Slowly we went and we hit. So none of the passengers got a single minimum injury also. None of them get. All of it's 100% safe. Nothing gonna damage. Only car got damaged very badly in front. Here you can see. And the roadside we have parked and we have called for the insurance company waiting for the towing vehicle. These are the pictures. So this everything is closed. Next, coming to here down. After sending all these documents, here you can see depreciation will be covered if nil depreciation covered in the said policy. That is tied tube excluded in the depreciation clause. Subject to deduction for the depreciation at the rate of mentioned below in respect of the parts replaced. For all rubber, nylon, plastic parts, tires and tubes, batteries, airbags are only covered 50%. Okay, in these are all parts covered a flat of 50%. For all parts made of glass is nil depreciation, so that 100% they will means insurance company will make you payment. It will be covered 100% like that. That will be less only compared to other parts. Glasses are lesser than the major parts in the car. So rate of the depreciation for all other parts including wooden parts will be as per the following schedule. So age of the vehicle and depreciation. Here you can see not exceeding 6 months. So from the day one you purchase and up to 6 months it's nil, means 100% of your vehicle repair service cost borne by the insurance company. So you have to make a minimum deductible fee, like here you can see that engine capacity. If your vehicle less than 1500 cc, the compulsory deductible is 1000. If you go in anywhere from the day 1 to after 10 years also, so if your vehicle less than 1500 cc, so 1000 rupees the minimum cost you have to bear, means customer. So greater than 1500 cc 2000, two wheeler 100 rupees. These are the compulsory deductible fee. Okay, then here you can see that 6 months to 1 year 5%, 1 year to 2 years 10%, and 2 year to 3 year 15%. And you can pause and you can read it everywhere, each and everything. So I can't tell you, it will take even more longer. It's already became more than half an hour. So 5 to 10 years 40%, exceeding 10 years 50% flat. So this is the most popular insurance nowadays. And the second popular in South India, especially in Bangalore, the head office is there of Go Digit. This is the second most popular here. So here you can see that the percentage of vehicle depreciation from their official website only. I'm showing you here. So here you can see rubber, nylon, plastic, same as per the Acko insurance. 50% fiberglass, 30% fiberglass. If you check here, it will be covered 100%. Glass made with glass, but here they are telling fiberglass 30% only covered, means 30% depreciation. Oh, okay. Oh, this is glass nil means here also 100%. Okay. Car paint, it will be like 50% depreciation on the material cost. Total painting charges 25% of the total painting charges in case of consolidated bill of painting charges. Suppose if you are met with an accident and having other related repairs and all, including painting everything, that time it will be 25% of depreciation will be there, means they will give you up to 75% of car painting will be covered. And here I have to tell you the labor charge will be covered 100%. Means 100% the insurance company will bond, they will give you. So here almost same everything. Here you can see the difference. Nil 5%, 2.25, 30, 40, almost same. 5 to 10 years 40%, after 10 years 50%. These are also same as per Acko and GoDigit. And the difference here, Acko and GoDigit and any other insurance company, the highest number one is giving IDV value is Acko Insurance. The second highest IDV value provider is GoDigit. And other like insurance, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, other third party insurance are they give very less. If you are going to renew or purchasing any insurance related to health insurance or car, two-wheeler, vehicle insurance, Acko is the best. This is not a sponsored video. This is my own experience. I'm telling you here. You can visit the website and you can read it here. Schedule of ID value vehicle. Here you can see that something telling like that exceeding 4 years but not exceeding 5 years. So after 5 years only 50% they are telling. So you have to read it carefully. They are given example also. The car depreciation will be dropped 5% from the day one when you purchased. 5% will be dropped immediately. That's what they are telling. Total depreciation ID value. This is the rate of depreciation of the parts including wooden parts as per the following. Okay. This is the depreciation table. This is the covered insurance covered depreciation table. So I'll provide you the details link. These are all in this video description. You can read it. And here is the my final bill. Here you can see Acko Insurance. They have visited and they have got a quotation from the service center. And this is the PO which SR or PO which is released by the insurance company to the service center. So they have shared me this my vehicle details, my vehicle details, everything will be there, and what and all parts is going to cover. So approximate amount, though here you can see that percentage of depreciation flat 50% is there. Why? Because the car is more than 10 years old. That's the reason. So flat 50% will be there, and the parts rate will be there. Sorry, here part rate without tax and depreciation after the tax, GST amount, everything will be there. So here you can see that labor R&R, maybe labor charges, repair charges. Okay, labor, repair, paint, labor, that painting labor charges extra will be there, no. So this is the parts and extra labor cost. The total labor cost, here you can see that the entire labor charges base amount. Okay, this is the total labor charges. This amount will be covered 100%. That is the reason if my car built with 1.5 lakh bill and almost nearly 1 lakh insurance will company paid. Why? Because here the labor charges will be covered more, painting charges will be covered 75%, and rest of the parts is covered 50%. So it will come nearly more than 50% only. Like 60 to 70% you will get covered. So here after repairing everything, delivery order will come. So once the authorized service center done the service, and they will send you final bill to the insurance company. So from the insurance company we will get a mail how much insurance company is bonding, how much they are paying, and what is the amount we have to pay. So here you can see the bill amount is 1,53,000. The total cost approved by Acko is 98.9. So like almost like 99,000. So additional work, I don't know what is this they have mentioned. I didn't ask that service person or insurance company. So apart from anything like apart from accident, what and all, it's if the product gets rust and need to replace like that maybe, and the compulsory deductible is 1,000 rupees, and the final depreciation this much of the vehicle, and the total amount Acko will pay this much. Why means 98,000 it's approved, but minimum deductible 1,000 rupees here it's deducted. So 98,000 is approved nearly. So Acko will pay this much and Shivkumar M will pay this much, 55,900. Okay. So after 10 years also, like 1.5 lakh bills, nearby 1 lakh they have paid, another 50,000 I have to pay. So yeah, that's it I guess. Anything is there? Yeah, here you can see that this is the calculation they have done, insurance company, and they have shared me the part excluding tax. This is the amount, and less part depreciation, the amount, labor charges, final amount including tax, painting charges, and net assessment. So part value, labor, paint, everything, it costs this much. Compulsory deductible, total invoice value this much. Insured liability, so it's mine liability, and the net liability of Acko insurance company plus towing charges. So towing will be free up to 100%, and they have collected 3,000 nearly on the same day of pickup. So I have paid the towing extra charges on the same day when it's prepaid already. So that's the reason here it's showing nil. And the final net liabilities plus towing is this much. The Acko insurance will be covered. So total, this is how much, like the compulsory deductible plus net Acko amount. Okay, exactly it is matching. So if you want detail line item, here you can see this is the total amount, same here, whatever it's there, same amount here. This is the each and every part of the material, the part cost. This is the final bill review calculation. So GST, the part cost, the depreciation value 50% depreciation, total amount, everything will be there. Mm-hmm. 1,57,291. So after GST everything. So this is the amount. Okay guys, if you have any doubts, that's the video for now. If you have any doubts, you can comment. You can do the comments. I will reply you. If you need any help, I will available to help you. And if you have any doubts, you can comment. If I don't know, I will check and I will reply you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will be more helpful those who are claiming insurance first time. Most of them, those who have having experience, they won't watch this video. Why? Because they have already experienced, they will take care themselves. Those who are filing first time, they need a guidance, and they have a fear of rejecting insurance policy, means insurance of the vehicle repairs. That's the reason how carefully you have to take. So if you take a towing facility from the insurance company, it will be more genuine. Like from the accident places, immediately you're getting the towing facility directly from the insurance. That's the reason your maximum chances are there to approve. If you're towing your own side, that all will be covered, but it will be taken more time. They will do spot investigation, everything and all, because you by your own you had a towing your vehicle to the service center. That's the reason to check whether it's genuine or not. They will do a investigation. So I suggest you to take this facility from the insurance company. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. If you like this video, hit the like button and kindly share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.